happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video. Thank you all for joining me once again. I appreciate all your support. This is the first week for this ad cycle and there are some really good deals to grab. We got some CRTs today. We got a $3 CRT for CoverGirl and a $3 CRT for Maybelline or L'Oreal Cosmetics. And the last one is a $3 off 2 CRT for Hershey Kisses. The first deal I have here is the spend 10 get $4 extra care box bag, and the Crest 3D white toothpaste is part of this deal. Pick up one priced at $5.99 and pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrush 1 count priced at $5.79. And the last item to pick up for this deal to be able to get to 20, that means we're doing this deal twice, is to pick up one of the Crest 3D mouthwash priced at $8.79. These 3 items are going to total $20.57. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will apply to this deal. And for the toothpaste, we have a $1 digital coupon that will double dip. And we also have a $1 digital coupon for the mouthwash. I have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT that will also apply to this deal. And drop it down to $9.57. Pay that and get a $1 extra care box bag, making all 3 of them just $1.57 or 52 cents each. The next deal is on CoverGirl Cosmetics and it's on the deal of buy 2, get $4 extra care box bag and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and that would total $11.58. Use 2 of the $3 coupon we got from 211 Save, and we received a $3 mystery offer for CoverGirl. With the 2 coupons and the mystery offer, it's going to drop it down to $2.58. Pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making this deal free and a $1.42 moneymaker. The next makeup deal I have here will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 20, get $7 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me powder, priced at $10.49 each. These 2 items are going to total $20.98. We received a $3 mystery offer today that will apply to this, and I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT that will help bring it down to $14.98. Pay that and get $7 extra care box back. We have a $2 back on Ibotta for each item, but when I went to my Ibotta, I couldn't find it on the main page. I have to go under the list to find it, so make sure you're checking that site too. After the Ibotta rebate, it's going to drop these 2 items to just $3.98 or $1.99 each. If you don't want to pick up the Fit Me powder, you can also pick up the mascara with this deal. The Great Lash Mascara is priced at $9.29. Pick up one and add the Volume Express Mascara priced at $10.49. These 2 items are going to total $19.78. That's within the 98% rule. Use the $3 mystery offer we received today and also the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. These 2 CRTs will drop it down to $13.78. Pay that and get $7 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each mascara, making both items just $2.78 or $1.39 each. The next deal I have here is spend 20, get $10 extra care box back, and Real Techniques Cosmetics tools are part of this deal and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the daily everyday essential set priced at $19.99. That's within the 98% rule. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. But if you don't have any, you can also add it to your next purchase CRT. Without 2 of those CRTs I mentioned, you have to pay the $19.99 and get $10 extra care box back, making it just $9.99. The next deal is spend 10, get $4 extra care box on any Neutrogena acne care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne patches, the 24 counts, priced at $10.99. We have a $4 digital coupon that is going to apply to this, and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care CRT. It will drop it down to $3.99, Pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making it free. This next deal can be all digital if you don't have any next purchase CRT, and that will be the buy two get $3 extra care box back on Gillette or Venus disposable razors. They are on sale for $6.99, so pick up one of the Venus disposable razor and also pick up one of the Gillette disposable razor. The two products are going to total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette. With these two coupons, it's going to drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $3 extra care box back, making both items just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $10 extra care box bag, and Nivea lotion is part of this deal. Pick up 3 of the Nivea 8.4 ounces lotion, priced at $7.79 each. These 3 items are going to total $23.37. Use 3 of the $2 Nivea lotion coupon we got from the 128 savings set. I received a $2 lotion CRT in my email that will also help out with this deal. It will drop it down to $15.37. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 of them $5.37 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is on soft soap body wash, and they are part of the spend 12 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the soft soap body wash, priced at $6.59 each. 2 of them are going to total $13.18. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon if you did not use yours last week, but if you did, you can do this deal without any coupon and submit your receipt to Shopmium. But if you have your 4 off 2 digital coupon, it's going to drop it down to $9.18. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, and that will make these 2 products $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next deal is on Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. They are priced at $7.79 each. Pick up 2, and 2 of them are going to total $15.58. I checked my app. I only have a $2 coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $13.58. Pay that and get $4 extra care box back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for a $2 back on the second Dove, making both products $7.58 or $3.79 each. And this will be a good deal to add if you have a 10 off 70 or 10 off 60 next purchase CRT. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 extra care box back on Yardley bar soap, the 2 packs, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2. They are priced at $3.49 each. That will total $6.98. Pay that and get $4 extra care box back, making both products just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you need Head and Shoulder products, they're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. And they're also on sale for 2 for $12. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $9. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both products just $7 or $3.50 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Fruities shampoo and conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the shampoo and 1 of the conditioner, and they're on sale for 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both products just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 extra care box back, and they're on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. Pay the $5 and get $2 extra care box back, making both products just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is the spend 15 get $3 extra care box bag, and this Airwick starter kit is part of this deal. They're on sale for $11.99. Pick up 1. Then pick up one of the Lysol disinfectant wipes, the 35 counts. It's on sale for $4.49. We have a dollar coupon for the Lysol wipes, and also for the starter kit, we have a $6 digital coupon. The Lysol wipes coupon is also digital as well. These two products are going to total $16.48. After the coupons apply, it will drop it down to $9.48. Pay that and get $3 extra care box back, making both products just $6.48 or $3.24 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 and pick up the Downy Unstoppable on sale for $6.99. These two products are going to total $20.48. For the Tide Pod, we have a $3 digital coupon. The Downy, I do not have any coupon for that. But with the $3 coupon, it's going to drop it down to $17.48. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on the Downy, and that will make these two products just $10.48 or $5.24 each. The next deal I have is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 extra care box back, and Palmolive dish soap is included in this deal. They are priced at $4.99. Pick up one. For the second item, pick up one of the Suavitel, priced at $3.59. Because this one is the lower priced one, it's going to be the half off. I'm showing the Suavitel because my store is out of the Ajax dish soap. But if your store have it, adjust your math. With these two products, my total will be $6.79. We have a dollar coupon for the Palmolive in our app that will drop it down to $5.79. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both items just $3.79 or $1.90 each. If you'd rather pick up two Suavitel, two of them are going to total $5.39. We don't have any coupon for this, so you have to pay the $5.39 and get $2 extra care box back, making both products $3.39 or $1.70 each. The next deal I have here is buy two get $5 extra care box back, and Cottonelle 9 mega roll and Viva 6 roll is part of this deal. Pick up two of the Cottonelle priced at $10.99. Two of them are going to total $21.98. We have a dollar digital coupon for this product that will drop it down to $20.98. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Shopmium for $1 back on the second Cottonelle. That will end up making these two items just $14.98 or $7.49 each. The next deal I have is buy two Scott paper towel, the 6 big rolls, you get $2 extra care box back, and they're on sale for $5.99. Pick up two, and two of them are going to total $11.98. We have a dollar coupon in our app that will apply and drop it down to $10.98. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Shopmium for $1 back on the second Scott. That will end up making these two items just $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal I have in this video will be on KitKat share packs. They are part of the buy two get $2 extra care box back, and they're on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up two. We have a 3 off 2 CRT that will drop it down to $6. Pay that and get $2 extra care box back, making both items just $4 or $2 each. I found this clearance item, that's the CVS brand children's nasal spray, on clearance for $1.57 in case anybody needs it. And another clearance item I found that we have a digital coupon for will be this Swiffer heavy duty duster. It's on clearance for $5.24, and we have a $2 digital coupon for it in case you need it. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thanks for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.